Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy here, Kirk, and today we're going to repair the air condition system on this 2000 Honda Civic. Guys, they removed the stock engine and install a K24 engine inside this vehicle. Guys, once you upgrade to a bigger engine, it's always best to upgrade the air condition system also, or else the air condition not going to cool properly. Guys, right now the engine start and the air condition on, and the condenser is very hot. Some technician just put something together with this flat fan on it. The outside pipe, guys, super hot. We're also going to remove and replace the receiver dryer and upgrade the air condition condenser. So we are going to remove this small condenser, upgrade it to a bigger one. So guys, with the stock engine, the condensers on the right and the radiators on the left. So guys, I'm just going to check inside. As I see, the engine start, air condition on, and I gotta use my thermometer gun and check the temperature before we do the upgrade. Guys, we get 68.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Convert that into Celsius, we would get 20 degrees Celsius. So that means inside the vehicle not cooling properly. So I'm going to also check the temperature on the condenser before we replace it. So guys, here's the condenser that they put on a little slow flat fan on. So I'm checking the temperature. Guys, we get 146.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Convert that into Celsius, we would get 63 degrees Celsius, 0.333, just say 63 Celsius. So guys, we are ready to take on the job. So we are going to remove the condenser now, and this is it, guys. Condenser removed. This is the condenser that we removed, and we're going to install a bigger condenser in the vehicle. So guys, this is the condenser that we're going to use. We have to remove the bumper to get this condenser installed. So we're going to weld on 2 brackets on the side to bolt up the condenser on the vehicle. I personally don't like the tie strap business, especially with an engine that aggressive like this. So this is the bracket that we're going to weld on, and guys, we weld on the 2 brackets on the side of the condenser. So we're going to drill 2 holes and use a nut and bolt on 2 sides to tighten up the condenser on the vehicle. If you're new on this channel, guys, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. And you can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and like us on Facebook. Guys, we are drilling the other side on the condenser so we can bolt it up on the vehicle. And this is it, guys, the condenser bolt up and well firm, not rocking all over the place. So now we're going to prepare the 2 pipes to connect on the condenser. So this is a smaller pipe, guys. We weld the ends on it to fit on the condenser. So guys, the pipe fit on the condenser. Now we're going to prepare the next pipe. So this is the ends that we're going to use. And guys, the technician that repaired the AC before never put a eyesight connection on the line, so we're going to install one right now. So here guys, preparing up, and this is the high side that we're going to weld on the pipe, so we can check the high side pressure with the gauge. So the high side weld on the pipe, and we're going to install it on the vehicle now. So see it there now guys, 2 pipes installed. Guys, we're not going to use a fan that come with the condenser that we removed. We're going to use a different fan. The fan that come with the condenser that we remove is too slow for this application, so we're going to use a faster fan. So this is the fan that we removed, and I'm going to show you the fan that we're going to install in the vehicle. So this is the fan that we're going to use, guys. It's a faster fan, cool the condenser better. So this is how we're going to install it, just lining it up. But before we install it guys, we're going to put some cushion on the fan that it don't rub and burst the condenser. And if we have enough time, we'll build 2 brackets for the fan so we can bolt it up, but unfortunately we don't have enough time on this vehicle, so we are going to tie strap it properly. So this is the cushion that we install on the fan, just because we are going to use a tie strap, and we are going to make sure that the fan is in a tight area so it don't rock when we tie strap it. So this is how it look now guys, nice and firm. We will tie strap the fan, but definitely not the condenser. So right now we're going to remove and replace the receiver dryer. So we are pulling the 2 10mm bolts. So I'm just making this clear guys, before you do any upgrade, you have to make sure that the AC system is flushed. So what we do, we flush out all the lines, the evaporator core, the compressor, make sure that the line is very clean before we recharge the system. Guys, we removed the old receiver dryer. This is it, and this is the one that the owner bring to us, but it's for 98 Integra, so this one can work. So good thing we have the original one in stock. This is the one that we're going to install guys, but before we do so, we're going to remove the pressure switch off the old receiver dryer and install on this new one. installing the new receiver dryer. We finished install the new receiver dryer. We're about to pressure test the system now. Once there is no leaks, we're going to vacuum and recharge the system. Guys, like and share this video, and if you have any question, let us know in the comment section. I'm going to start the engine and turn on the AC. Guys, we are recharging the system now. AC fan spinning, compressor chip in. Guys, we make sure that we wire the system so the radiator fan can help cool the condenser. We will get in that in a minute. We are still recharging the system, guys. Guys, we almost finished recharge the system. look at the low side pipe, guys. Look at the low side pipe. If the low side pipe don't look like this, that means the AC not working. A lot of water on the pipe, guys. So guys, we finished recharge the system and also the AC cycling. Compressor cycle out now. Back. I'm going to check the temperature on the condenser now, guys, and we get 48.7 degrees Celsius. That converted to 119.66 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a good reading on the condenser. As I say, guys, we wire the system so the radiator fan will help cool the AC condenser. As you see, guys, it's a bigger condenser, so it will need additional cooling. So when the AC turn off, the radiator fan will do normal duty, chip in and out when the engine temperature go up or down. We have the vehicle idling about 10 minutes now with the air condition turned on. So I'm just going to check the temperature inside. The longer the vehicle idle with the air condition on, the lower the temperature will drop inside. So guys, right now I'm going to check inside. And I'm using this thermometer to check the temperature.